everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make soyabean powder. Soyabean powder is one thing I dread buying outside because I know if it's not well prepared, it can be very lethal. So stay tuned, let me show you how to make it. Yeah, here I'll be using this soyabeans already sauteed, and I'll be pouring it into a hot water to boil for 30 minutes. This pot cannot contain it, so I poured it into a bigger pot. Boiled for 30 minutes and poured out into a sieve to cool. Once the soyabeans is cool, you go on to wash with your hands, just the way we wash beans. Rub it in between your palm to remove the outer layer, which is the skin. After washing, I spread it on a baking tray that is lined with a parchment paper for easy drying. This is rainy season and the weather is not too hot. So if I'm to leave this outside, it's going to take more than 24 hours to dry. But drying it in the oven took barely 2 hours and the soyabeans was well dried. Toasted for 7 to 10 minutes on a low heat to bring out that elevated toasty flavor of soyabeans. The whole place smells amazing. Either boiling, roasting or fermenting, all are good and there are various ways of processing soyabean, but make sure it is well prepared and handled. Okay, since I learned how to make soyabeans, I've been making the one I use at home, and I've been dreading buying soyabeans outside because I know if it is not well prepared, it's very lethal. Okay, so watch closely to learn how to make yours at home and enjoy this proteinous, nutrient-packed food called soyabean powder. It's good for children and for adults. After toasting, blend, and you can either sieve or leave it like that depending on the strength of your blender. And here you have it. The soyabeans is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.